Hello, welcome my Tango Academy online for women. Soy Analía Centurión and today I will teach you decoration or embellishment and your turn and your hero around the leader in the molinete. It's very good embellishment. If you like and if you feel comfortable, try. This embellishment is in double time and the moment your walk is backward. Let me show you slowly and then in double time and is after back 8 and your hero. See? Let me show you slowly. First try this combination after side step. E forward, side step. This is without embellishment. Quick, slow. Without embellishment, e back change way forward. Side, back change way forward. Side, back change way forward. The hero I feel rotate depend the leader. And in double time, the hero is no more square. It look like a triangle. See, depende the leader, depende the hero, depende the time. Now this hero is without embellishment forward map. So let me show you again and follow me. 6, 7, 8. Open, forward, open, back chain forward, side, back chain forward, side, back chain forward, finish. My upper body is very important. Activate your arms, and if the hero is in this direction, this shoulder is the intention in this side. If the hero in this side, the shoulder and arm is in this side. I don't like if you go into in your right side and your hand is opposite. It's very important the upper body follow the hero, the turn. Now let me show you. Real today I have the news. See, after show you the embellishment, it's very important the news. Okay, let me show you the embellishment and double time. So, after side step, forward, side, now it's after back 8, back 8, back moment. Y quick, slow. Y quick, slow. Y quick, slow. After back moment, this is the specific embellishment. It's no more change way here, forward, is back, look like a little enrosque and change way immediately, forward. See, it's not back change way forward. Is back change way forward. Y back change way forward. My toe is in point and immediately change way. It's a little change way after this simple enrosco change way forward. See? Or forward or forward. See, this is the detail for today. I like you try. Now I have the new. Creé una nueva colección de adornos de tango para la mujer. Si sentís que no sos creativa, que te falta motivación o nueva información, creé colección de adornos para la mujer y la información está en la descripción abajo del video para que los puedas obtener con acceso ilimitado y te voy a enseñar el movimiento simple, paso a paso, el movimiento con el adorno, paso a paso y al final en cámara lenta para que veas en detalle de qué se trata. Son movimientos funcionales que practicando entre 5, 10 minutos o 15 por día, el cuerpo lo va a asimilar. Te invito a sumarte, la información está en la descripción de abajo del video. Thank you so much and see you in the next challenge.